Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. How is your weekend, guys? I miss you so much. I hope everybody is doing awesome. Guys, as you can see today's video, I am here to make authentic Ghana salad. The reason behind this salad is because, guys, my husband is not a very big fan of salad when it comes to like American salad, but when I make my own like homemade salad from Ghana, he would eat it like just the blinking of an eye. So I noticed it, I'm like, okay, let me make one more time because I know he loves it. So I just want to share with you guys so you guys will get the idea how I make my authentic delicious Ghana salad. This is going to be very rich. Yeah, it's going to be very rich, guys. My ingredients, I'm going to start from this side. I have some green onion leaves. In Ghana we call it like a green onion or onion leaves. Okay, this one you can get it from any store near you. I have my cucumber right here. I got 3 of them. This one also you can get it from any store near you. You can get it from Ghana as well. And also I have 1 tomatoes on this side. I have my onion. I have my beans. This one is like African style cooked beans right here. If you go to Walmart, they sell at Walmart or Target. I think they sell it from everywhere, so it's easy to get as well. And I have my noodles right here. Actually, I'm gonna add a little twist to it this time. So I have a little bit of noodles, and also I have some 3 boiled eggs that I'm going to add. And I have my lettuce right here. I decided to show you guys this lettuce so when you go to the store you know where to buy. This one comes with like the red cabbage, carrots, and some lettuce or lettuce. Okay, that is what I have right here. So this one is already chopped, but if you want to chop it more, like to be smaller, you can. But if you want to leave it the way it is, that is absolutely fine as well. And also I have my mayo. In Ghana we use this a lot. I don't know about the other African country, but we use this very much. And also when it comes to this side, I have my vinegar. This is about a ½ teaspoon of vinegar right here I am going to use. And also I have my ketchup. You can use the normal ketchup if you want to. And when you come this side as well, I have my corned beef. Guys, I'm not a very big fan of corned beef, but when it comes to this salad, it's gonna be very nice and I will need it. So I have 1 corned beef. This corned beef you can get it from any African, Hispanic, Indian store. I think they sell this over there as well. Alright, so guys, that is it for now. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I have my green onion on this side. I have my bowl. I'm going to cut all of them. So what I like to do is that I like to peel the cucumber. I like to peel the skin off, but I don't want the skin. Yeah, you can feel free and use it if you want to, but in Ghanaian way, how they prepare it, they peel off all the skin. So feel free and go ahead and peel it off. Alright guys, so now everything is just peeled off. I have my green onion. I am going to cut all of them into pieces. So I'm going to cut the ends out because I don't need it. And also I'm going to cut this as well. I don't know how well they clean this. Even though I clean it myself, I want to cut this out. Yeah, so you're going to cut it into pieces. have to cut it very thin, guys. Very, very thin. The tomatoes, I'm gonna cut it as well. But with tomatoes, I like to take the seed out. I don't need the seed. So now our salad is ready. So we're gonna make some stuff to it, you know, to make it complete. So first of all, guys, I am going to add my mixed vegetables, okay? So make sure you add everything to the salad. In Ghana, this is how they make it very, very rich. And now you give it a stir, make sure you mix everything together, okay? Everything. Yeah, so now I am going to add my white vinegar, okay? Okay, so just in case if you're wondering what kind of vinegar I'm using, is this kind, guys. Here. Yeah. So going to mix it as well. The vinegar is gonna help, you know, kill any bacteria that the eye cannot see. So that is very, very good, you know. So that's why, and it's added a little bit of sour flavor to it. This is what you need. All right. So next, I am going to add my noodles. Okay. Remember, I add the noodles. I'm gonna add it right now. Okay. Just mix through. This salad is looking beautiful already, guys. After everything is well mixed, we are going to add this right here. Mayo. Mayonnaise. So that's what I am going to add. I like this one better because this one have a very, very, very nice flavor. So if you don't have this one, you can use the normal mayo as well. But this one you can get it from the store. You can leave it that way or mix it. With me, I like to mix it because, you know, it tastes better when you mix it. Much better. Yeah. This is looking beautiful already, right, guys? Yeah. So after you mix everything through, yeah, it's looking very nice, guys. I'm going to add my corned beef. So I'm not using all the corned beef. I use about a half of it, the can. Yeah. This is the corned beef, okay? Right here. You can mix it too, but I recommend you keep it the way it is. Okay. So for those, if you don't like the corned beef, you can skip it as well, but I think it brings out like more flavor to it as well. And here is our beans. Okay, when you open the bean, it has water on top. That's what I'm using for. I don't need that water. So just scoop it around and spread it. And this bean smells so good. Okay, I think that should be enough. And I have my egg right here. So what I'm going to do is just cut them into two and then cut them one more time, and just put it around the salad. It's just easy. Or you can cut it whichever way that you like. It's not gonna hurt it. You can cut like circles or whatever way you like it. You feel comfortable with. together. Or you can even cut it into two if you want to. Alright guys, and now we will go back to the ketchup. You don't have to use a lot of ketchup, but you use a little bit. Now I'm still gonna use just a little bit of mayo again, just to finish it. Alright guys, so just like that, you have a very beautiful, delicious Ghana salad right here. As you can see, this salad look serious, guys. This salad look very pretty, it look very delicious. As you can see, this one can go with your jollof rice, with your oil rice, with your fried rice. Okay, this is how this salad is looking. Alright guys, so this is your salad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. When I hope on show, if you are trying this recipe, let me know how you're staying up. I'm loving this salad already because it looks just healthy, delicious, and rich. Okay, you can even serve it with a bun. Okay, if you have bread, you can go with very good with bread as well. So I hope on show, don't forget to subscribe this video, share it as well, and also like, comment. Let me know what you guys think. I hope on show, love you guys. Enjoy OBAAPA Ghana style salad. Papa B. Alright guys. Bye.